Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a contouring makeup tutorial for those who have a more rounded face. So I'm going to start off by applying some foundation, and I'm going to be using kind of like a natural one, and I'm using this one by Maybelline. This one is the Pure Skin, and I only went very light with it. I applied a little bit and then kind of like build it up as I was applying more and more, because I wanted to see if it was going to be way too cakey or not. So I decided just to apply a tiny bit of foundation so it creates a nice smooth and base for our contour. Okay guys, so for the next step is to take this concealer, and I'm using this one by Maybelline. This one is the Fit Me, and remember that the concealer needs to be like around 3 shades lighter than your normal foundation because we want a kind of like a brightness effect. So remember to look out for a concealer that works with your skin type. Anyways, I'm using this one, and I went ahead and kind of like map out where I wanted my highlight to be. And remember that you need to start, well, in this case I always start with the under eye because I just want to highlight the under eye area. Then I went ahead and took it right in the middle of my forehead and also in my nose area. I wanted to highlight the bridge of my nose. I also took it in the Cupid's bow area because we do want it to highlight those parts, especially if you have like a round face like me. So anyways, I just took it in the Cupid's bow area, and then I took it in the chin area, and then I moved along to apply a little bit under my normal contour, like the natural contour of my cheekbones, and that is going to create a very sharp line and a very defined look. That's why it's very important that you guys map out first where you want to apply your highlight. And in this case, this concealer tends to dry a little bit too fast for me to work with, but I still decided to do it this way so you guys could see perfectly what I was going to do next. So then afterwards I took my contour and I applied it with this tiny brush because it's very dense and it's very like precise. That's why I really like it. And your contour needs to be around 3 shades darker than your skin type, or your skin color I mean. And anyways, I took it right in the temple area, and I also kind of like went ahead and applied a little bit more than I usually do because I wanted to create more of like a defined forehead, I guess. So anyways, I just went ahead and took my wet sponge and I blended everything very well. It was kind of hard to blend because it was a little bit dry since I waited a long time to apply everything and etc. But it was still blendable, if that's a word. So anyways, I just pretty much did that, and yeah, repeat the process with the contour area, and you guys are pretty much done with that. so I did my eyebrows off camera because I still wanted my eyebrows to look pretty in this video. So anyways, I took this translucent powder and I took it right under the areas where I apply my highlight, and that is going to set everything very well. It's very important that you guys set everything super well because we don't want it to crease during the day. So that's what I did here. I'm sorry if I'm blinding you with my mirror, but you guys can see pretty much what I did there. I took it right in the under area with my wet sponge again, and then I took it right where I apply every highlight shade I did. So anyways, like on the under the contour in my Cupid's bow area, and I do have like very defined smile lines, so that's why I always try to bake under that area because I don't want it to crease during the day, and that usually happens to me a lot. So make sure you guys just set everything very well. Okay, so now what I did here, I took my contour shade and I took a powder contour and pretty much just apply that right where I apply my contour, my cream contour, and this is going to set everything very well, like I said before. And yeah, it looks like a lot more defined, and it looks a lot more put together, and I really like it. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. Like and share with your friends. And yeah, this is pretty much the final result, and have an awesome day. I also included some before and after pictures so you guys can see the difference. Bye bye.